So hello everyone, I hope you are fine. So in this video we are going to solve PPDT for our SSB interview. Okay, this is class number 2 actually, and I class 1 has already been uploaded there, so you can watch it also. So so मैंने आप लोगों को पहले ही बता दिया था कि इसको कैसे करना होता है, तो इस बार मैं एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करा देता हूँ आपको। ठीक है, so this is firstly you have to observe the picture. I will show you a picture for 1 minute, 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds, and you have to briefly observe the picture, its background, its mood, time and action, and also decide your main character and their age, gender, and okay, and their mood is three types: positive, negative, and neutral. And you have to write like this. If your character is male, then you have to write M. Age like this, and mood if positive, then you can write here positive as it. Okay, so you don't overthink, and trust your first impression. Sometimes candidate too much overthink and make the story plot slightly different from the context. So firstly, I have told you the tip. You in 15 seconds first write this on the corner, left corner of the paper, and then you will be given 4 minutes to write the story, and the structure of the story will be like this: firstly introduction, then body, and then conclusion. And always write your story in positive context, positive. Don't use negative story. It will give your impression poor to the interviewer, and the picture will be slightly opaque. So let's I will show you a picture now for 30 seconds, and you have to see, and after that I will give you 4 minutes to write your story, and then I will show my story, what will be the better story. ठीक है, तो चलिए. So the story is, you can write observe. I have started the time. Observe the background and number of persons, their age, and don't overlook the book in their hand. 5 seconds left. Okay, now I will hide the picture. Time stop. So now you have to start writing their story. Your time starts now. Firstly, you give introduction, then the plot, and you should also add a twist in the story. Don't write it in a normal way. You add action twist. 2 minutes left. You have 1 and 30 seconds. uh, uh, 40 seconds left only. Start. Now you have to conclude your story. 15 seconds left. 10. Okay, so time up. Now stop writing. Okay, so here is the picture. In this picture we have seen like there are few number of students in with, and news like newspaper and books, it may be anything. So is in the hand of two girls, and other are their companion. Behind there are trees. So I think it may be a girls speaking competition, uh, and the speech is in there on the paper. So I like, let's see my story, what I have written. So this is my story, in which I told that Ria, a final year student of Delhi University. You have to mention the university and final year student. She noticed that her juniors lacked confidence in public speaking. She decided to organize a speak up competition to encourage them. Okay, I have decided, मुझे ये एक पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का प्लेटफॉर्म लगा, इसलिए मैंने ऐसे एक स्टोरी बनाई. With permission from the faculty, she formed a small team to plan the event, arrange judges, and motivated her friends to participate. Okay. On the event day, students enthusiastically delivered speeches. Ria guided and appreciated each one. The program became a great success and boosting everyone's confidence. Seeing her juniors smiling proudly, Ria felt deeply satisfied. Her initiative not only develop communication skills but also strengthen teamwork and leadership spirit among the students. So क्या है ये देखो, स्टोरी मैंने पॉजिटिव वे में बना दी एक तरीके से। इसमें पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की बात चल रही है और वो अपने जूनियर्स के अंदर से फियर को ख़त्म करना चाहती है, फियर ऑफ स्पीकिंग। ओके, सो इस स्टोरी से क्या है, पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट भी देखो लैंड में मिला है, लाइक टीम वर्क एंड लीडरशिप, इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन। ठीक है, तो हमें कुछ एंड में अपनी स्टोरी में OIQs भी दिखानी है, ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज़, OLQs। ठीक है, तो जैसे यहाँ पे दिखाई जा रही हैं, और ये आप इसको और भी चीज़ें ऐड कर सकते हो। अगर आप थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन भी कर सकते हो, लाइक पब्लिक स्पीकिंग की जगह वो मान लो कुछ मिमिक्री शो भी दिखा सकते हो आप, मिमिक्री शो। ठीक है, इसमें सब बच्चे मिमिक्री करेंगे, या फिर आप एनुअल फंक्शन भी दिखा सकते हो, है ना। आप कुछ इवेंट भी दिखा सकते हो, लाइक वुमेंस डे पर लोग स्पीच दे रहे हैं अपनी, है ना। तो ये तो रहा वही पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट। तो इसमें मैंने पहले इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, उसके बाद उसके बारे में बताया कि टीचर्स से परमिशन ली, इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करवाया, रिया, तो इससे इवेंट रिया की वो भी पता चल रही है हमें कि टीम स्पिरिट कितनी है। ठीक है, सो आई थिंक यू हैव नोन, एंड आई विल नाउ शो यू अ नेगेटिव स्टोरी। समटाइम्स पीपल परसीव, स्टूडेंट में परसीव दिस इमेज एज नेगेटिव, लाइक but in this picture negativity is not shown on their face, but if someone write the story may be like this. So this is negative, like Ritika, student of LPU Punjab, age 25. In this I mentioned the age, was part of a drama competition team. Okay, however internal conflict started when a few girls disagreed on the lead role. So lead role के लिए कुछ लड़कियां आपस में उनके बीच में डिस्कॉर्ड स्टार्ट हो गया। ठीक है, लड़ाई हो गई। सो रितिका बिकेम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड स्टॉप कोऑपरेटिंग। रितिका फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गई, कोऑपरेटिव करना बंद कर दिया। एंड ऑन द फाइनल डे द ग्रुप परफॉर्म पुअरली, फॉरगेटिंग डायलॉग्स एंड आर्ग्यूइंग बैक स्टेज। देयर टीम लॉस्ट द कॉम्पिटिशन एंड एवरीवन ब्लेम्ड ईच अदर। Ritika realized that lack of unity and ego ruined their hard work, but it was too late to fix things. So this story has no negative view, and these types of stories are highly prohibited. ठीक है, you don't have to write these, otherwise you will be failed or not recommended as a better candidate. So always prefer first positive story until the image is shown is highly negative, like someone's dead body is there or any other thing. So ignoring all this, now tell me how you like this session, and if you do like the story, then like please give the session a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more stories. And after they see this series contains 10 videos of every type, 10 for PPT, next 10 for WAT, 10 for WPT. ओके, सो हर पार्ट के लिए मैं 10-10 वीडियो लाता रहूँगा, और अपनी ये वीडियो जो है 2 हफ्ते में ख़त्म हो जाएगी, 2 वीक्स में, और आपको मैं SSB के 5 दिन की तैयारी करवा दूँगा। सो आप ये सीरीज़ को देखते रहना ज़रूर कंटिन्यूसली। अगली वीडियो कल आएगी, और अब आपने जो स्टोरी बनाई वो उसको कमेंट में मेंशन करना कि आपके यहाँ हिसाब से क्या व्यूज़ हो सकते थे। मैं आपके कमेंट पढ़ता हूँ। ओके, सो बाय।